Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I straighten this wig and install this wig completely glueless with no product needed. Like and subscribe to my channel for more wig revamp videos, beauty and lifestyle videos. I did go in and shampoo and condition the wig and let it air dry overnight. Now I'm just sectioning it out to go in and pluck the lace a little bit more. I do like to use the hot comb to press the hair backwards before I go in to pluck. It just helps to see what I'm plucking. Before applying any heat, I like to use a heat protectant or a serum with heat protectant in it that help the hair get a silky finish. Y'all, my hair is so good. Look how good that hair look after I just blow dried it out. It looks already nice and shiny. Flat ironing it is gonna give it a more sleek and flat look, but just blow drying it just looks so straight and full. After the hair is completely dry, you want to make small sections before flat ironing. I had to go back in and blow dry the bottom section some more because it was still damp. You want to make sure that your hair is completely blow dry before putting any heat to it from the flat iron. Following the comb with the flat iron will give you a nice sleek press, and also make sure that you have good quality hair. I like to section like 2 tracks at a time and then use small sections with the 2 tracks. Look how nice and sleek the hair looks. Here I like to go in with the wax stick in small sections and press out the closure. I did the same thing on the opposite side. It comes with a elastic band that you can tighten up if you need to. But you want to grab the elastic band in the back of the wig cap and slide the wig in. I think this wig might be, oh, I just wore it in Detroit, so it's only like 2 months, so. But it's been colored twice and styled probably 5 different times, because I styled it like 3 different ways when I have wore it the other color. Then I just put this style in and making it gray. But it was easy to install, so it's easy to wear glueless. And 24 or 26 inch. Y'all make sure y'all go check out my wig sale. All wigs $30 off when you shop a 613 wig, which is the kind of wig I'm wearing. It was $613 and it got colored this color. You can add a free color for, well, you can add a color for free, my bad. When shopping a 4x4 closure 613 wig, you can get a free color. But all wigs, no matter what kind of wig it is, it's $30 off. If you want to just send me a wig, send me a picture of a wig that you like the style and color, I can custom make it for you. My wigs last 3 years. I've been wearing, since I've been in High Point, I've been wearing the same wigs for about the past 2 years, coloring and restyling them. This year, I'm buying me some new wigs. I'm wearing some new hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more wig tutorials.